Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to transform plain text into a captivating video using a free tool. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First, open any web browser and type lumen5.com. Here first you need to do is sign up for free to Lumen5 account. If you have already account, then log in. Click on Sign Up for Free and fill the credentials to create a free account. Now you will see an interface like this. You will see many templates here like this. Choose a template from here which you like. Here you see many options. Now select Text on Media. Now, you'll see a text box. This is where you put your content. You can paste your text, or you can type it right here. Here you can use ChatGPT to generate a script or an article or a blog which you want to convert into video. For example, I'm opening ChatGPT and ask for writing 5 life facts. And here is the text from which I want to create a video. Copy this text and paste it in the text box. Now click on Continue with AI. It might take a few seconds to load. Now click on Continue, and then click on Convert to Video. Now your text is converting to video. It may take a few seconds. And now your text is converted to video. Preview your video to make sure it looks just the way you want. You can also make minor edits if needed. When you are satisfied with your video, click on Publish. Lumen5 will work its magic and create your video. Here you see a download button. Click on and your video is downloaded for free into your device. Now that you've got your video, it's time to share it. You can post it on YouTube, Facebook, or any platform you prefer. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've turned your text into a fantastic video. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.